We out here. Grand opening of Volcano Bay. Crystal's 31st birthday. Had to think about it. We out here.
This one's you. Thank you. Enjoy your day.
What up?
Ready to go on the aqua coaster? Okay, let's go.
Check for you two here. Okay, we'll take that as soon as you're ready.
The drone has been flying around here somewhere. Look at those people. They have the best room.
I know, that's a nice ass
Over there,
hotel.
too.
We out here, you feel me? Crystal's 31st birthday celebration.
Woo!
We came out here to turn up. Go ahead, cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. What up, boss?
What's up, man?
You already know. Gang.
I wonder why the lazy river's not open yet. I want to do that, but you can't do that one, I don't think.
Why?
You would do the blue one? The only scary part is the first drop. That's the only scary part.
That shit looks crazy. Why's he gonna clap for you? Watch.
Happy birthday.
Hey.
Thank you.
All right. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. That was the grand opening of Volcano Bay, Universal Studios, and we're out of here. Well, that's it. End of our Volcano Bay experience. It wasn't bad for the first day. A lot of things were shut down. There was little issues, technical problems, which is obvious from the first day. But overall, it's a dope park. I still like Blizzard Beach. I'm old school though. Ha!